Alam niyo ba kung bakit ko nilalagyan ng medicated powder spot treatment ang area after kong mag-cautery? Kasi after cautery, may controlled wound tayong ginawa sa skin. So even though maliit lang siya, technically, open at freshly treated pa rin ang area. So unang reason ko dito is protection. Ang medicated powder, it helps keep the area dry. Kapag basa kasi ang sugat, mas prone sa irritation, maceration, at possible infection. So second, antibacterial support. Most medicated powders contain ingredients that help reduce bacterial growth habang nag-heal yung skin. And third, para mas mag-form ng proper scab. Kapag kasi controlled ang moisture, mas maayos ang pagbuo ng crust and mas maganda ang healing outcome. Less risk for post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So, hindi siya nilalagay for aesthetic purpose lang. It's part of wound care protocol. Ang goal natin kasi dito is after cautery is simply lang clean, dry, protected, and controlled healing. So sa Dermacrave, hindi lang tayo basta nagtatanggal. Iniisip natin yung healing after. Alright? Bye!